Hey folks, today I'm reviewing the CASABREWS Espresso Coffee Machine Model Ultra. Before I get into the review, I just want to mention that this is a budget espresso machine, but it's still an espresso machine. And with being an espresso machine, there can be a lot to making a good cup. Start with some good beans, and a good grinder, and have a repeatable technique for making a puck. And if you don't have all of those things, you're probably going to get some pretty bad coffee. And in this review, I'm going to just kind of gloss over the puck preparation. The goal is to really review the machine. But I also want you to know there's a whole world of puck preparation stuff out there and virtually endless content creators talking about how to make espresso. So, with that, on to the review. This machine comes with a milk steaming cup and 4 baskets, a portafilter, a tamper, a cleaning needle, and a coffee spoon that you'll probably throw away. So this comes with a 58mm portafilter with a 3-ear design. It has a retention wire and it's made out of aluminum. I really wish it came with a dosing funnel. I took a close look at the single-walled baskets. The holes themselves are machined with 0.3mm holes, and all the holes actually look pretty good. I was really expecting this basket to be really poorly made, but it actually doesn't look that bad. Anyway, so onto the back of the unit where the reservoir is. You have to flip the lid open for the handle, which is not ideal, I think, but that's okay. The water tank is keyed, so it slides into the same place every single time. You just have to align it. On the front control panel, we have a single shot, double shot, steam mode, or hot water. You can also go into a programming mode where you can change the water temperature. So you have 4 options: 90, 92, 94, or 96 degrees Celsius. You can also reprogram the volume of the shot. It heats up pretty quick, so by the time I finish my puck prep, it's been ready for a while. Okay, enough of that. Let's see it brew. Here we go. I got my beans at a local micro roaster. I used about 18 grams, and I'm using the single wall double shot basket. I definitely recommend using a puck screen. I didn't use it here in this shot, but I do find I get a lot better results. I also recommend doing one blank shot, or just running it so the shower screen is nice and hot. I did get a thermocouple up in there, and I did measure about 190 degrees. I did try to record this, but unfortunately the pressure built up where the basket was, and it kind of sprayed my thermometer, got completely soaked, and that's really bad. Now, I'm definitely no expert, but I think that looks like a decent cup, and it tastes pretty good too. Alright, time to play the blooper reel. No, too much pressure, and now it's spitting all over my 4-probe thermometer. Alright, let's end with something that looks nice. Here we go. Here's that shot a little bit closer. Anyway, so I think this is a nice value buy. You know, I feel like a lot of the pieces are really nice, except for that tamper, which is not great. But it's a pretty nice machine. I enjoy using it. And I like that it makes a decent cup. And thanks for watching.
That does get loud.